Originally developed and constantly improved by EDCO is the traditional concrete floor grinder. These grinders feature multi-accessory discs that can be loaded with many different accessories for many different applications. We also offer 2-disc grinders in gas, electric, and propane. These machines have a 22-inch working width, grinding approximately 400 to 500 square feet per hour. EDCO grinders will repair damaged slabs, remove coatings, prepare surfaces for overlays, smooth rough surfaces, rain marks and trowel marks, grind sharp aggregates, and level small high spots.